Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a template on Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. So you might want to create a template for a few different reasons. Maybe you've got your own business, you want to create templates for different things, or maybe you want to use templates for social media posts, or even if you want to start a side business selling digital templates. This tutorial is going to show you how. So from your Canva homepage, click onto the templates tab on the left hand side, and from there Canva will show you thousands of different templates for all different things. So you can see there's presentation templates, poster templates, resume templates, email templates, landscape templates, social media templates. There's just so many. So to start with, you need to search for the type of template that you want. So say it's something like an Instagram post. So I'm going to click on there, and loads of different Instagram post templates will come up. So let's have a look. Remember that we can filter these templates by style. So again, what sort of style are you looking to convey? Is your business like a girl business? Is it like a food business, a animal business? Are you selling products? What type of templates do you want in what style? So let's have a look. Let's look for something a bit playful maybe. So if you want to be bold and stand out, you can click on the bold templates and have a look through. So let's see what we come up with. So maybe you're trying to promote upcoming events. So this template might be quite good. So I'm going to click to customize this template. So as you can see, it's like really colorful, but you don't have to stick to these colors. You can customize this template to exactly suit your business. So if you have a color palette for your business, you can use those colors here. So if I click on the back of that template and I want to change it from the color blue, I can click on that and put in the color code that I want, or just scroll down and choose one of the colors there. You can change obviously the words. So let's type something in. Maybe I want to say local events, and maybe I want to change like the date. So instead of August, maybe I want to write June. So I'm going to write June in there. And again, you can go through and you can edit all different elements of the template. If you want to see it a bit better, you can zoom in. You can add in your own website name at the bottom and change up all the details. And if you want to add in extra sort of like little images like this one here, click on elements and search for little vectors that you might want that you can add on, and just change everything to your liking. When you're happy with your template, give it a title. So maybe it's June Instagram post, and then you can use this template again and again, so you can like keep a cohesive look for your brand or business. So once you're happy with it, click on share and click on download and choose the file type. So usually PNG or JPEG are the best, but choose which is best for you. So that's it for today. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.